evening, folks.
Good evening.
It's good to see such a good turnout as we have tonight. You're in for an evening of entertainment by the Auscultation Brass Band. This is comprised of a group of doctors who, 1985, decided it would be fun to practice their brass instruments in addition to medicine. While developing a large repertoire of classical and popular music, they have performed widely at various community functions, including medical events, retirement communities, and local churches. So they concede that there has been much more practice of medicine than brass instruments in their lives. The performances are musically entertaining with interesting medical and musical commentary added. So sit back and enjoy